Here's the latest news for Red Deer in central Alberta. Healthcare workers in Red Deer rallied Thursday in support of their bargaining efforts. More than 70 people attended the rally outside of Red Deer Regional Hospital to support the Alberta Union of Provincial Employees. AUPE represents nearly 60,000 healthcare workers across the province. Proposals have been put forward to AHS to address wages, staffing levels, and workloads. AUPE says AHS has made no effort to help the negotiation.
It's very frustrating when one party wants to sit at the bargaining table and negotiate a fair collective agreement and the other party won't take part in those talks.
AUPE says it's still working on essential services agreement that allows workers to legally strike if necessary. We have reached out to the province and Alberta Health Services and have not heard back. A man wanted on a Canada-wide warrant is facing new charges after police say he stole a truck in Red Deer County. Innisfail RCMP say when a truck was reported stolen last week, officers believe the thief was a known offender. Police say officers located and followed the truck to Dixon Dam near Innisfail and arrested the driver. 25-year-old Jordan Glasgow is facing charges including possession of a stolen truck. He was wanted on a Canada-wide warrant for breaching parole. He will appear in court next Friday. One person is in serious condition in hospital after a helicopter crash near Lacombe on Sunday. The Transportation Safety Board says the helicopter took off near Panther River, traveling to an airstrip in Lacombe County. It was in the air for about 45 minutes before it crash landed. A 54-year-old woman from Benalta died, and the 63-year-old pilot suffered life-threatening injuries.
Aviation is a safe mode of transportation. Each accident is really unique, which is why it's important for us to look at all the circumstances of the event.
The Transportation Safety Board says the investigation is in its early stages and new information may not be available for a couple of months. Red Deer Polytechnic has received $1.75 million grant from the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada. The Technology Access Centre has also had its official designation renewed. Dr. Tanya Wolf says at RDP we are grateful for this funding, which will continue to position our institution as a leader in providing cutting-edge technology. This funding and designation will help increase our applied research capacity and productivity in communities across Alberta, end quote. It specializes in applied research, product, and process development. Westerner Days Fair and Exposition kicks off with a parade on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. Westerner Days includes midway rides, the RCMP Equestrian Music Ride performance, and live concerts from Sass Jordan and Corb Lund. The North American Pony Chuck Wagon Championship will be held on Wednesday afternoon. Central Albertans have been celebrating Westerner Days since 1892. Originally, it was an agriculturally focused showcase. The event runs from July 16th to the 20th. And just a reminder, if you would like to watch any of these stories again, you can catch them on our YouTube channel. Just search CTV News Red Deer.
Taking a look at your weekend forecast, very nice conditions coming our way as we go throughout Saturday. In the morning, we'll start off around 10 to 12 degrees. We're heading into the mid-20s as we go throughout the afternoon. 24 for Red Deer, Lacombe 26, 25 in Rocky. Rocky, a slight chance of some scattered thunderstorms as we get into the mid and later part of the day. We'll just see a nice mix of sun and cloud for Red Deer. As far as precipitation, there is some in the forecast in the days to follow. Here's a closer look.